What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's project, we've got a 1985 Toyota Corolla AE86. It has a F20 S2000 swap in it. Good friend George is letting us work on it. We're going through it, rebuilt a bunch of stuff, and this video is going to be a little different. It's going to have a lot of voiceovers, but tag along. Let's get going.
Safety squints, engage.
Able to check out the car, and there's no oil in this.
So you really wanted to void the warranty?
Yes, we're all about voiding the warranty.
Alright, building custom AC lines for this, trying to get the AC working back in this vehicle. We need to build lines to go from the evaporator all the way down next to the engine, running through the new condenser, and then back over to the AC compressor. We're using an aftermarket condenser with a lot higher of a fin count. Built custom brackets, utilizing the factory isolators as well. Try to get a good mounting for this condenser. Got the new condenser all mounted up. Fits really nice up front of this. So we got all the AC lines made, crimped up, mocked up. We also got the new filter dryer installed, new pressure switch installed. We've got all the lines and everything mounted with P-clamps. Also got new service fittings for the compressor. Should be all ready to go. Also ended up replacing the fuel line, got it in a nice silicone heat sleeve, and replaced the factory fuel filter from 1985. Here's the exhaust that came off of this thing. It was really ghetto, but we're gonna pull all this off, redo everything, put all nice mandrel bends, not crush bends in it. Got the exhaust all mocked up. Gonna test fit it here shortly, see how it all fits.
Why does that not look like it fits very well? The pipe's not round. Little manual labor tune-up. It's closer. Really big vise. Back up. Backed up it is. Basic bitch. This is Bryant's about to weld some exhaust hangers set up for the 85 Corolla with the F20C swap. job done. So this is the 85 Corolla with the F20C S2000 drivetrain. We are building an exhaust system on the ground with the car just on 4 jack stands. We are V-banding to the OEM header, and we are building an exhaust. This is currently just tack welded together. We're going to put another V-band up here above the axle. That way the axle back can come out and the front pipe can come out, all with just 2 bolts and a couple of hangers. So we will keep you updated and hopefully have much more of an exhaust system to show you here shortly. Alright guys, we're back in the garage again with the 85 Corolla with the F20C Honda drivetrain in it. This was the exhaust that we took off the car. And this is what we're going to be putting back on. Gotta get it all test fitted, back on the ground, then we can get the car out front, get the doors open, and finish up some under dash wiring.